with Zoe, SSF, and all the other amazing people that have joined me today on this live stream. Thank you. You guys make it worth it. Um, Usually on the YouTube, I get one I get one like on my YouTube videos and one, maybe one person watching. That is how terrible it is on YouTube, which is why I have shifted over to, yes, you've guessed it, the TikTok. All right, stopping and restarting the live stream here on YouTube, which is Sucky Ducky. Sucky Ducky on the YouTube of Dying Death. What was I talking about the other day? Getting rid of that. We don't need that. But we do have all the other stuff. I'm going to talk about a few awesome channels. Yo, what's up? Thank you for joining me here, Margie Stetzer. Margie Stetzer, it's awesome for you to be here on the live stream today, on the Market Reviews live stream here. TikTok is just so much cooler than YouTube will ever be. So anyway, I'm going to do a quick shout out here to some of the YouTube channels that I absolutely love and adore and promote and have been promoting for as long as I've known them on YouTube, which has been a long time. I have been on the YouTube since its beginning. I've had 3 different channels so far. I've had the Marco Reviews channel, which is the one that you guys can watch any of the other previous live streams that I've done in the past on. Right now, I had one that I created just for my daughter to promote her skills as a dancer and all the other fun activities that she's been doing ever since she was maybe like 2.5. Taekwondo, all kinds of cool stuff that I've worked on with her. Hey, what's up, Richard Hamlin 802? Thank you so much for showing up and supporting. So I'm going to talk about some awesome YouTube channels that I love and support and feel that are so cool because they add value to your lives. They don't bring drama to you. They don't bring hatred to you. They just bring you fun. And that is something that we really need more of today in our world. We have Thomas that does 3D printing. We have Naries that does 3D printing and is one of the best 3D printing channels out there where you can actually go onto his live streams and ask questions. Yo, what's up, user 9507857247900? Thank you for showing up and supporting. I love you guys. Love you all for being so nice and showing up here on the TikTok. So I was talking about Naries. Naries is one of those 3D printing channels that I've been using